Hi friends, this is Kelly Ferguson, your licensed realtor, and I'm excited to show you this luxury estate home located in the Spruce Creek Fly-In community at 2010 Southcreek Blvd. Follow me. Another fabulous amenity of this estate home is a private one-bedroom, one-bath casita that overlooks the pool deck and has a summer kitchen for entertaining all of your guests. And if all of that wasn't enough, this luxury home is located on the 13th tee box of the Spruce Creek Country Club golf course. So I would love to show it to you. Please give me a call or a text for your private showing or any other real estate needs. I'm Kelly Ferguson, your licensed realtor.